if your car battery is dead or low on power. You don't have to worry about this starting power supply. No need to use a long clamp or call for help. You can start the car yourself. You can also charge your mobile phone and other devices. Built-in LED lighting ensures your safety at night. Cannot clamp positive and negative poles together.
This all or nothing really got a way of driving me crazy. I need somebody to heal, somebody to know, somebody to have, somebody to hold. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you numbed all the pain. Now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pull the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you loved. I'm going under, and this time I fear there's no one to turn